In the heart of the Whispering Woods, there lived a bear named Bertram. Bertram was a bear of great strength and size, but he was also kind and gentle. He was loved by all the animals, and they admired his noble heart. One day, Bertram wandered deep into the forest, searching for berries to fill his empty stomach. As he reached a dense thicket, he saw a patch of shiny, red berries. His mouth watered at the sight, and he eagerly reached out to pick some. But as he took a bite, a sudden pain shot through his mouth. He spat out the berry, and to his astonishment, it was a bitter, sour berry, not the delicious sweet ones he had expected. Bertram looked around, and he saw a sign he had missed before, warning, "Eating these berries will bring pain." He realized his mistake, and a sense of regret filled him. Bertram limped back to his home in the forest, feeling ashamed. He knew he should have read the sign before eating the berries. He vowed from that day forth, he would always take the time to look before he leaped, to read and understand any warning he came across. The animals of the forest learned of Bertram's lesson and admired his wisdom even more. They knew that Bertram had not only learned from his mistake but had used it to grow wiser. Thus, the story of Bertram serves as a reminder for all: take the time to read, understand, and learn from the signs, for wisdom comes from knowledge, and knowledge is power. By being mindful, we can avoid the pains of ignorance and grow wiser with each passing day.